What's up, guys? So it's been like 2 days, which sucks. I hate missing videos for 2 days in a row. Hell, I hate missing videos, but sometimes things just don't work out. It's a very unfortunate pain in the ass, but whatever. Today we are vlogging. So past 2 days I have had some issues with the GTI. Surprise. Only two things. So you guys, if you guys remember the last video, you would have saw I was having issues with my car going into limp mode, throwing itself into neutral, the tranny being all weird. So I did a tranny flush and I thought it fixed it. I tried to drive home the next night, didn't work out. So I know I did the procedure not Volkswagen spec, so I tried to finagle a little bit more and basically just add some more tranny fluid, and it's been working. Fingers crossed. I still haven't driven it very, very far, but that's where I tested this morning. I also blew out the freaking tranny mount, or the dog bone mount, whatever you guys want to call it. It's basically the mount that connects the engine from tilting back and forth, or basically this way in the car where I'm sitting. And the bushing blew out, so now it rattles like a bitch, if you guys could hear it. You guys gotta hear that. So, feels like I'm driving a 240, but whatever. So I'm starting my day off by picking up one big mustache, Mr. Adam LC, and we're putting the GTI to the test. I'm literally crossing my fingers so tight it doesn't go in the limp mode. I'm a little nervous because it's a little farther than I've driven the car yet, and which means it could potentially go in the limp mode, and that would suck. So let's go cop Adam and see what's up for today. Hopefully the GTI doesn't break anymore. Well, an hour later, my car's in limp mode and I have Adam LZ. What's up, mustache man?
It was gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
Jimmy's like, I hope my car doesn't go to limp mode. Couldn't leave the driveway.
Yep, literally as soon as I went to pick Adam up, leaving the driveway and went into limp mode, and we've been literally stuck in third gear for over 12 miles.
Dude, it pulls good in third gear though. Not
that good. So thank God it's like downhill for like half the way to my shop, because my tranny just started to overheat, which is sick. So Adam, what are we doing today?
Poor Jimmy. We're gonna go get the Evo tuned, so I'm very excited. I didn't say anything about the Evo getting tuned or anything, so I don't know how much this. When's your video coming out? Tomorrow?
Probably the same time as yours. So.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So
you heard it here maybe first.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So, okay, let's go get Duncan and park this bitch. Come on, be a gentleman.
Ford gas motor is a good motor. All right, sounds good.
You excited to drive it finally?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I thought so.
Okay.
All right.
Evos have the noisiest lifters I've ever heard.
I think it sounds like it has a rod knock.
It's been sitting for a while. It'll clear up, but goddamn, it's loud.
Can't wait to drive this thing.
All right, they bled out. It's quiet now.
We got a visitor. The star of the show.
Dude, why always me, the star? I'm not the star.
You are the star.
I don't even have a channel.
But you're the star of this channel.
B-Hall's channel's coming soon. I've been helping him on the sidelines.
Have you?
Yeah. Word?
I'd be actually
sick.
really
if I could get some Adam LZ marketing.
Yeah, dude.
I got you. I might need to start a channel. Yeah.
There you go.
We got a little trade-off going, you know, paying for subs. Paying for subs.
That's a pretty good deal.
Trade-off.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
Let us know. What would you call it?
You guys tell me.
Yeah, let us know.
So we had some technical difficulties earlier, so it's been a while. So I'm a little on edge, but we've been having a great time. Right, Adam?
Super happy.
Time has come for Adam to street tune his car. It's excited. So I'm not gonna film any of that. Any of that. So Adam's gonna have fun. Go watch on his channel. I know you guys already watch his channel, but we've been here for a lot longer than I expected. So I can't miss another video today. It's been 3 days. I am so upset. Something has to work out. Something has to work out. So we're gonna go to my shop and do something. We're gonna do something entertaining because it's been so long. Mac, you did a beautiful job.
Hey, thanks, James.
Chris, you're alright.
Thanks.
Gojira.
Bro, can we compare your head to this turbo?
The turbo?
Yeah, over here.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Size comparison. How is it?
It's pretty good. It's a big ass turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, big ass head.
Nah, I mean, I got a big ass brain, but the head's average.
Oh my god.
That's a big ass downpipe. Look at the size of that downpipe.
Better yet, turbo LS in a Mustang. You gotta love it.
This thing ain't gonna hit any crowds of people.
All right, car's been idling for 10 minutes. Let's see if it goes into lit mode. Let's see, are we in lit mode? Hey, look at that. We can go 10 minutes without going to lit mode. What's up, Chicky Bear? All right, well, this is what our life has come to, I guess.
Listen, it's winter.
It's a mess up here. It is warm up here, though. Brian, what are you doing?
That's not me, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's probably Drew.
Don, I'm flying a plane. Oh, my bad. Bro.
Tucker. All right, so my backup plans for today, because I got stuck at the shop all day with Adam, was I was going to work on the Stas Miata. Now, I told you guys I was going to turbo it. CX Racing, it's hooking up with another kit, which is pretty badass. So, Sebby's going to have it turboed right here, drive Miata, which is pretty sweet. So, my goal was to go and start putting stuff on the car because we have a pile of parts from the previous owner. But I started to look more at the car, and I knew this was already a problem after I bought it. The subframe looks like it was chopped up with a torch. I mean, look at this thing. Why? Like, I don't want to bash on the previous owner, but the whole story was that the guy who had this bought it to put a 1J in it. So he put it in there, and when you put 1Js in cars, you have to lower the rack a lot because the oil pans are huge. It's just whatever. I had to do on the FD. We'll clearly do on that, but like, I don't know if he was just like in a rush or like, come on. It looks like he got a road flare and just melted the thing. It's so bad. Look how crooked the rack is. Horrendous. I really hope that he did that, like, just to move the car around and was just like, oh, I'll fix it later, but that is completely unacceptable. Whatever. So my goal was to cut the mounts and repair it, and I'm looking at it, and it is so beyond repair at this point. I mean, if I had to, I would do it, but I'm looking at the subframe, and besides like 2 brackets, the thing seems perfectly symmetrical, obviously, other than the rack mounts. So my goal now is, before I even try to put anything into the car, is to, which I kind of wish I looked at a couple weeks ago, but my goal is to find a stock NB subframe and just cut the rack mounts off cleanly and just flip them around, because that's the only thing that's different. And I can start going hard on this thing, but I'm so upset because I did not realize it was this bad. Can't even work on the car tonight. It's not even worth it. NB subframe can't be too hard to find. Pain in the ass, but I don't know. Been a super big dry spell down here, but Don, what should I do tonight?
Just chill with us, play some Grand Theft Auto.
Since I have nothing to do, I put the front bumper on the FD because I thought I'd like it more, and I totally do. I'm debating, Bri, should I finally start going back to work on the FD?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Honestly, like, this Miata is kind of like a side project.
Yeah, that's true. Miata is a side project. All my other cars, whatever.
I think that this is easy. That requires more thinking and effort.
True. Okay, screw it. It was determined now. We're going back to work on the FD. So the way I think Brian and I want to do it is we're going to fully do the swap. We're going to fully get it in here. We're going to get running, driving, and everything. Exactly how it looks, just like this, looking like a pile of Duke. And then we're going to take the whole car right back apart, paint the car, make it all pretty, put it back together, and have a beautiful car. The gas monkey way. So I've been staring at this engine for like the past 30 minutes. And honestly, the FD deserves a bigger turbo. We're taking this thing off. We're gonna leave it. I was gonna leave it on. I don't even care. This is me after having a bad couple days, and I'm taking this manifold off because we're gonna go bigger turbo. If I can get the damn thing off. So what I love about Toyotas is they use the nicest hardware on everything. None of their bolts ever rust over. They always look brand new. I mean, they use stainless bolts in the manifold. It's amazing. And if anyone needs a 1J turbo, this thing was mint. For sale. Hit me up. But it's cool because now I have an excuse to actually repaint the whole block, which Brian has wanted me to do since I got the motor. And look, now it's nice and easy. So we'll repaint that black, get this nice and clean. But look how weird the ports are on this exhaust manifold. To tell you the truth, I don't know why 1Js do it, but I mean, look at it. They group up bank 1 and 2, and obviously 5 and 6. But the intake ports don't match. They're all evenly spaced. I don't know if it was a casting thing or what. I mean, the firing order on these, I mean, they're 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 6, I think, which that doesn't do anything for it. I don't know. If you guys know why they make the heads like that, let me know. But I know the 1J heads are actually supposed to be half decent, so. Well, 1J, unfortunately, that's all I got for you tonight. Well, guys, I haven't been able to get anything good done in the past 3 days. It's been a pain in the ass, but we're gonna get back into the flow of things. It was awesome to see Adam's Evo finally come together today, and tomorrow we're finally tomorrow's finally get dyno tuned, and I'm excited to see that. I'm probably gonna stop in. So that's about it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.